Hello. Today, let's learn about the phrase get in on something. It means to join or take part in an activity or opportunity. Usually, people use it when they want to benefit from something. For example, if your friends are investing in a new business, you might say, I want to get in on that. This means you want to join the investment. Remember, get in on is inseparable. You cannot separate the words or put the object in the middle. The pattern is get in on something. You can say, I want to get in on the project, but not I want to get in the project on. That is incorrect. It is informal and common in everyday English. You can use it with words like deal, project, opportunity, and trend. For example, she got in on the latest trend. It shows she joined early and benefited. Be careful not to confuse it with join in or take part in. Those are similar, but do not always mean benefiting. Try to use get in on when you want to show active participation. Now practice by making sentences with get in on. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and speaking English confidently.